You're awake. Let me see. Thank goodness you're awake, or I'll have to try my last-ditch move. Emergency skills for junior patrollers. Lesson 1, CPR. Never did it on any living person, though. Just, yeah. Sorry. You just woke up and here I am, chatting up a storm.
Welcome to the OnePlus 13 Wuthering Waves by Kuro Games. Snapdragon 8 Elite, guys. I'm starting the game from scratch because I did the very same test with the Xiaomi 15. So let's just try to play a bit and see eventually what is going to happen.
It may seem all nice and quiet here now, but you never know when a tacit discord might pop up out of nowhere. Oh my, speak of the devil.
Sounds come forth.
Remember how to fight despite having forgotten everything? Wow, watch me lead the charge next time. No one messes with my Shao.
I'm using the highest available graphic settings, and you can check here the FPS, the CPU allocation, the GPU, and of course also the battery.
Leave it to me.
Watch out! Speeding up. Doesn't matter.
Swift and resolute.
Impressive stable performance, 59-60 FPS. I'm by the way using the highest available settings, and I'm also using the performance mode from the battery settings on the OnePlus device. Woo! And I'm of course using DualSense controller. Wow, just impressive. Let's try to measure some temps. 36.7 like a boss. OnePlus 13, guys, without a case. This is such a beautiful game. I have to tell you.
Close. You fought messages entry.
From the very first 10 minutes of gameplay, I can tell you that it works really flawless, guys. Now, you need to know that the cutscenes are in 30 FPS, so this will also be observed later in PerfDog. And now, don't blame me from the gameplay. I need to play the game, record a video, and I'm also trying an eye on the top left corner where I am observing what happens. Ah. No, no, no. Oh my god. Alright. FPS now drops because again we are entering a cutscene. Alright. Now guys, let's try to do some free browsing.
Once we arrive in Jinzhou. While there don't seem to be any immediate side effects following the absorption of that echo, we cannot
59, 60 FPS stable.
I'm gonna get you when you can absorb.
This is just impressive, guys.
I promise. You're here.
I sense your weakness.
This thing is so impressive, guys. Take a look. 360 speed, highest available graphics setting. This is so good. This is so cool, guys. I'm going to later compare this performance from Wuthering Waves to the performance that I got with the Xiaomi 15 and see which phone did a better job, guys. Remember, this thing here is 6.8 inches, so of course it has a bigger surface, probably also is able to dissipate heat better. And the Xiaomi 15, of course, being 6.3 inches, still very impressive results, by the way. 41 Celsius, okay, alright. Now I think the OnePlus 13 is experiencing some heat, but 41, okay, also without a case, still acceptable. 60 FPS stable. The visuals from this game, Wuthering Waves from Kuro Games, are just stunning, I have to tell you, really stunning. Not a stutter, not a lag, everything so smooth. I remember when Xiaomi launched Poco, they said smooth AF, and now I think, guys, I understand what smooth AF means. It's really, really great. Alright, time to check the temps on the surface. 41, so absolutely stable at 41 Celsius. Take a look at this, guys. I mean, this area is a big area, right? Also, it's night. 59, 60 FPS. The OnePlus 13 isn't joking around. Let's check one more time. 41.9, alright, after about like 37 minutes, we are slowly raising the temp, but still impressive performance. Just check here, guys.
As Yotan had previously detected, your bodily functions are in good condition. And you seem entirely unaffected by the Crownless's energy. Now, we will temporarily boost your resonance ability for further testing.
Amazing gameplay, guys. Not a stutter, not lag. I mean, what more can you want at this point of time? I think this is just straight amazing.
Against the wind.
Not the slightest fluctuation in your frequency energy. So it was not your resonance ability either. I suppose we'll do another round to fully test your potential.
Don't worry. I can't wait to take you.
Swift and resolute. The end has come. Keep it together. Last chance.
I'm absolutely happy with the performance. Really good.
Let me be your blade.
Woo! Well, let me check.
We have gathered all the data we need.
41.8, so it is going up slightly by a tiny bit, but 59, 61 FPS all the time at some impressive battery discharge. Let's jump back on my PC, analyze the data I've captured with PerfDog and compare it with the Xiaomi 15. Now wait a minute, there is something important I need to explain here. Single cell versus dual cell batteries. Before the era of the modern smartphones the way we know them, mobile phones used nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium batteries. These batteries were typically multi-cell designs, such as 3 or 4 cells. But as the smartphones became bigger and bigger and also thinner and thinner, the battery inside also changed, and most mobile phones now use single-cell lithium-ion batteries that has high energy density. But on the other hand, with the quick charging and fast charging, the single-cell solution can be a major obstacle to just get better charging speed, and eventually a lot of these smartphones are going back to the dual-cell solution. And guys, this here is chargelab.com. They've already identified some vendors which have phones with dual-cell batteries, such as the iQOO or the Red Magic or the Realme, the OnePlus, the Vivo, the Xiaomi, for example, the 13 Pro has a single cell. This is the practical example on one cell battery or dual cell, and this is how it looks in real life, like one single cell or 2 cells. And now you might wonder, how does this connect to this video? I'm using PerfDog by WeTest, and it seems that for some mobile phones, right, the calculation needs to be done manually on the battery discharge. And in fact, WeTest are supporting some of the phones, right? For some of the phones, you'll get proper reading from 2 cells, but for some of the other phones, you need to multiply the consumptions by 2. Also, thank you so much for commenting down below the OnePlus performance video, because without you, or in this case, without Itze2934, I would not have been aware. So it seems that the OnePlus are using the dual cell battery, and it seems that PerfDog is only showing the consumption of 1 cell. Again, it's still an assumption, but I think it's valid. How do we know it's valid? Well, see here, guys. Wuthering waves. The average power consumptions in milliwatts is 2164, but with the Xiaomi, and I did 2 tests with Xiaomi, I got almost like 5 watts, so 4700 milliwatts here and 4900 milliwatts on my second test. Also, there seems to be some other tech reviewers that confirm the Oppo and iQOO phones performance values should be multiplied by 2, and this is pretty much in line with what I'm reading also on the WeTest PerfDog site. Now, going back on the OnePlus 13 Wuthering Waves, even if we double this is going to be just impressive. Now, the average FPS is a tiny bit lower on what I get from the Xiaomi in my second test, only because remember the cutscenes are 30 FPS, so everything that is here is a cutscene. But take a look at the very stable FPS that we really got in game. It's absolutely crazy. So honestly, OnePlus 13 delivers an outstanding performance. For the Xiaomi, we got higher values on the first test and also higher values on the second test. And if you go again to the battery consumption, you know how it goes. The Xiaomi starts with almost like 8 watts at some points. Now back on the OnePlus 13 battery graphic, and I do believe that it will make sense to multiply the values here by 2, because you can see that the peaks are actually somewhere around 3.6 watts, which is, I don't think, so much possible even with the OnePlus 13, although again, very good performance. You've seen the video, and tomorrow, guys, I'm going to show you PlayStation 2 emulation from 1x native resolution up to 8x. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like content like this, just go and watch some of my other videos. Stay safe, VST over and bye.